Hello everybody, a huge warm welcome to my channel. It's Philippe de Barros here and I help people get better at dance, and I specialise in West Coast swing and solo dance with influences in styles like contemporary, ballet, hip hop, house, dancehall and more. In today's video we're going to be looking at 3 cool footwork moves that you can do in your West Coast swing as a leader and a follower. Let's go. So our first move we'll be looking at today is one which many dancers know from other styles, especially solo styles, and it's the pas de beret. So how it looks like is like this. We go 1 and 2. That's like a nice version of the pas de beret. I'll show you again. It's 1 and 2, or the other side, 1 and 2. So let's break that down. So what I'm doing as a leader or as a follower is I'm hooking the foot behind. So rather than being here, which our normal ankle step might have, which is 5 and 6, or as a follower 5 and 6, we're now adding a little bit more dynamism to our anchor step, or even any triple step. So now I'm hooking a bit more behind. This foot it can be either on the spot, or I move it slightly the direction I've hooked, and then I step with this one out. So there's a bit more space here as well. So to show you that again, I'm going 5 and 6, just like that. As a follower, I might be doing it the other way around, so it'll be 5 and 6. Now, normally I would recommend that when we are anchoring, that heel is going into the arch of the foot like this, or somewhere in line with that. So the pas de beret is changing that slightly. We're going we can try and go in that line. You can try going that line, or you can hook and go a little bit further out. So this is like a piece of styling, so adding a change. I won't do it all the time. So we're hooking behind, and then if you want, you can stay in line with that heel, and then because we have a wider base, this gives us more opportunity to stretch because we're not so close together with our feet, we're slightly further apart. As a follower, I'll be going like this, pas de beret, or if I go here, I'm obviously bending the rule slightly, but if I'm here as well, I can do that stretch as I go into my one of the next pattern. Oh, nice rolling foot behind. Love it. So that is the pas de beret. And now for our second tip, now it's more of a hook behind, and then we go to our normal position in our anchor step. So it's a hook, and then to our normal position where the heel is definitely in line with the arch of the foot. For the pas de beret, I was maybe going further out, or even if I was going behind that the arch, I was making a bigger space perhaps. And now I'm thinking about hooking and going to our normal position as a leader or as a follower. So hook and into our normal position. So I'm going from out to in and out to in. So again, you have some things to play with. And now, our third tip in our cool footwork moves in West Coast swing as a leader and a follower is a pas de beret, but it's traveling forwards. So how that looks like is like this. I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and you can go as far forwards, like quickly, or slower forwards. I might go really quickly at 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, or I might go a bit slower. So that was as a leader, as a follower, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. You can add tilts with your body and so on. I do really love doing that. It feels great to do. I think because we're marking things out in the music, that adds extra va-va-voom, and you feel really nice marking something in the music. So you might hear somebody singing very fast, and you might be matching what you hear them singing, or some kind of beat in the music. And you can do this, for example, as a follower on a pass. So you might be going at a 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, for example. So to show you again, as a follower, you can go like this, and a 1, 2, you might adding this here. And nice. There we go. Leader, I might be adding it even going backwards. I can do that going backwards, or I can do it going forwards after my 4. We can do that in your sugar push, so you might be going at a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8, and then ready for your next pattern. It's very nice, isn't it? Beautiful. So there we go. That's a nice way you can practice as well. So there we are, 3 cool moves for West Coast swing. Enjoy those. If you have any questions, do write those below, and I'll catch you in the next video. I would love to invite you to subscribe to this channel by clicking below and on that bell icon that lets you know when videos are published. If you're interested in any private lessons with me, whether that's online or in person, then my contact details are in the description below, so do check that out if you're interested. And I'd like to wish you all a wonderful day, and don't forget to go for your dreams.